Hey, so this is my rundown on Borah Studios, your guys' wedding videography company. Um, First thing, definitely you guys could use some more content. Not a lot on here. Even just kind of descriptions of what you guys have going on, for some of these photos. Um, I know on some of these sites, so for example, Goose Films are the top rated for wedding videographers in Boise. They just have a lot more content as far as their descriptions on all their videos to kind of talk about what they were filming a little bit. So just some more content on your guys' website would definitely help you guys out. Wedding videography for Boise. So yeah, like I said, Goose Films is the top rated. Then you have Wedding Wire in here, which that's an easy one to pass up. With all these big time directory sites, Google really likes to promote the small businesses, so getting past that would be no big deal. And then you have The Knot, which is another one. I did see that you guys were listed on there, which is pretty cool. So getting you guys ranked into these top spots would definitely be a doable thing. Um, so looking at your guys' backlinks currently that you have for Borah Studios, you guys have 14 backlinks, all coming from the same domain, and you're ranking for 4 keywords. So the keyword you guys are currently ranking for is boutique wedding films. So that has 50 search volumes per month. The keyword difficulty is a 0 on that. You guys are currently sitting at 35th on that. So if you guys were to throw some more backlinks at that, getting into that top spot for boutique wedding films would be, pretty easy to accomplish. Looking at organic keywords, these are the keywords that Goose Films is actually ranking for. So we can see that wedding videographer Boise, Boise videographer, and videographer Boise. You have about 130 total here between these. For search volume, the keyword difficulties are all pretty low on all of these. So to kind of claim the top spot on all of those, you guys could be looking at 30% of that 130, which would definitely be a big boost in leads heading your guys' way. One thing I did notice looking through the information on them is just wedding videographer in general, as a total keyword, is 2,900 searches per month. So I know you guys had kind of put that you would do some traveling, so there definitely would be the potential to kind of claim some of that as well, with a keyword difficulty of only 14. It wouldn't be the easiest thing to get you guys ranked for, but it would definitely be something that we could claim a piece of that pie, which would be very nice for you guys to kind of get a boost on that. So looking at Goose Films, I kind of went over it. The content is really what's helping them out here. Backlink wise, they have 182 backlinks from 15 referring domains. Only 13 of those are do follow. So if you were to get 17 do follow referring domains, that could definitely put you over them backlinks wise. And then the on-site optimization as far as with your content would definitely help you guys jump over them. Next one we had was Boise Wedding Films. So they don't really have much content on theirs either, which, I get it. Like, the content you want to keep that aesthetic to the website, especially when you're, really selling a product that is all about the aesthetic and the look. But really getting that content on there in a tasteful way would really help you guys out. And, very easy to pass them up content wise because they don't have much on theirs either. Looking at the backlinks that they had, so they have 72 backlinks from 9 referring domains, and only 8 of those are do follow. So, not hard to pass these guys up at all. It's definitely there for the taking. And like I had showed you here earlier, so Goose Films was number 1, and then Boise Wedding Films was 5th with those directory sites in the middle. So getting into that first page or even top 3 spots, definitely doable. I don't know what order you guys are watching these videos. I had mentioned on the photography video, kind of everything that I base it off of. You're kind of usually looking at 3 to 6 months for getting a website, into these top spots. Sometimes they rank way faster than that. There's a lot of things I can influence as far as the backlinks, and the content and stuff like that, but the time is the one thing I can't really change. So, but that 3 to 6 months is usually a pretty safe bet for getting into these top spots. Looking at citations, so getting you into this map pack here, citations wise, Goose Films only has 15. Golden Moments Media, they are the second one here. They only have 11. So, like I had mentioned in my previous video, if you throw 100 citations at this, which is your local directories where you're able to list your business name, your phone number, and your address, you throw 100 of those at this, and you're easily going to be able to take one of these spots within the map pack once you get your GMB all set up. So that's kind of what I had on all this. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out, and I'd love to pass on some more information or answer any questions you have on this. Thank you.